What's up, you guys? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to pick the best foam roller for your body. Now, there's so many rollers out there that people get so confused and they get so overwhelmed that they think that the cool one with the bumps and the spikes is the right one for them. But the best one for you is the one that gives you the most therapeutic result. Now, I'm going to share with you in this video comparison of the diameter difference and how important the diameter is in picking the best foam roller. All right, let's start with the lineup here. We have the original Travelroller 4.3, the TR 3.8, standard foam roller, and grid. All right, so you'll notice that the diameter in these ones is all different. This is the Travelroller 3.8, and then can actually fit right inside. So this is how much smaller in diameter it is to this one. And your standard, this one has a little bit less foam, is still smaller in diameter. And the Travelroller 4.3 is still smaller in diameter. So those are the differences in diameter, and it's really going to give you a difference in how you feel on your body. So let's review. All right, so if you're suffering from upper shoulder pain and neck pain, you're looking for relief and pain relief. You want something to fix your neck. So let's, grab that foam roller, put it behind your neck, and let's see how that feels. All right, we got my standard grid, which I have never rolled on ever on a video before. So this is the first time. And I'm gonna just roll normally. So how I would roll my neck here. Notice how my chin is tucked down. Okay, I'm looking this way. I feel uncomfortable, actually. I feel uncomfortable because my neck is a certain size. It doesn't feel good, and it doesn't feel therapeutic. I can't get deep. I don't feel the vertebrae in my neck. I can't feel it in my skull. I'm looking down, and I have actually pain upon rolling over here. So I don't like it. It doesn't feel good. Next up, that was the biggest one, is the second smallest size. So a little bit less foam. It's a little bit better. I'm looking up a little bit more. Again, rolling side to side. Okay, the foam here, I don't like the way it feels. It's a bit firm foam. Yeah, it doesn't feel good. And when I try to go deeper, I'm looking down. Again, I want to feel relaxed in this position. I don't. I feel pushed forward again. All right, moving on to the next diameter is the Travelroller 4.3. Putting it behind my neck, right in my upper neck there. And now I start looking up. Okay, starting to look up. My chin feels normal. I feel like this feels really good. Now the foam feels really grippy, so I can grab the skin. It feels very therapeutic. I'm starting to feel relaxed, and that's what you want to feel. You want to feel relaxed in a position where you can start healing and go into that rest and digest mode. This feels really good, and I know I invented the Travelroller, but I did it for a reason, and this is exactly why. This exact diameter feels just perfect. It is the most ergonomic, therapeutic foam roller that you can find, and you can get deep, and that's what you want. You want to be not rolling for hours. You want to have deep therapeutic self-myofascia release fast. You want to feel the muscle. You want to feel exactly the fascia that is going to give you pain relief fast. Okay, that feels fantastic. Next, I'm going to get to the deeper TR 3.8. Now this one gets a little bit deeper. It's very firm. It's for advanced people or with a chiropractor that is going to teach you how to get those deeper functional releases in the upper neck and shoulders. This one is also amazing. It is a bit firm, so for the average person, you should go with the Travelroller 4.3. It is absolutely perfect for everyone who wants firm, deep self-myofascial release. The Travelroller 3.8 gets deeper, so the neck feels good, but it might feel good on other parts of the body. We're going to review that as well. All right, so my vote, Again, Travelroller 4.3, not to be biased. I designed it for a reason, but that is why. So you will notice the difference between the diameter difference here. So again, we're comparing the number one winner here is the Travelroller 4.3, the position of my neck. Okay, now let's go to the larger grid and notice the position of my neck. Boom. Doesn't feel good. I feel like I am getting injured. I feel actually pain on my upper trap. I'm 5'6". This does not feel good. It's not therapeutic. All right, so I hope that helps you figure out which roller is best for you. So if you are between 6'4", up to 6'4", and under, Travelroller is the choice tool for your body size. If you are a basketball player, a football player, then a larger diameter is recommended for you, okay? All right, we can continue this experiment on all parts of our body. So the next step, very specific areas of the body, is the armpit, okay? So rolling armpit to pec, armpit to pec. Now I'm gonna try to do fascia glide on a grid. What? Doesn't grab my skin? Let's try that on the Travelroller. Oh, stop. So now what happens if I apply compression, shear, and torque? That is where you're going to get that deep myofascial release. Let's try that again. Oh yeah. This is what you want in a foam roller. Let's try that again. Does it grip the skin? No. Then what are you even doing? Why are you using this if it's not grabbing the skin? If you are only working in one plane of motion, back and forth, all you're receiving is compression, a little bit of torque. Why wouldn't you be saving yourself time and using something that actually stops, grabs the skin, and is manipulating just like a therapist would? A skilled therapist, that's a chiropractor or a physiotherapist, is going to grab the skin and fix it with a deeper release. So that's what you want to do, is you find something. Again, Travelroller is a no-brainer. People love it for this reason, and it has a very unique property that grabs the skin on all areas of the body, plus the small diameter, right? So we're going deeper into the body. Smaller diameter, deeper results. Moving on to a new part of the body, I'm going to be rolling my quads and my hip flexors, a very important area to fix if you want to restore your body, your posture, and fix lower back pain. So again, I have never rolled on the grid ever. I have one only because someone gave me one, and I'm going to roll through my quad here. All right, most people, again, they do this compression, this rolling back and forth. And this is only one way of rolling. This is not a very advanced technique. Okay, you can do a lot of things like this, but I want to get into my hip flexor where it's really tight. Now I can't really feel, it's kind of just brushing over top of my hip flexor. I'm a very flexible person. I can't really feel it go deep. So it's not giving me the result that I need. So I want to go to the next level. So I'm going to take my Travelroller 4.3, and now I'm in my hip flexor. All right, so now I have it at an angle. I can feel it deeper compression because it's smaller in diameter again. All right, and now I'm going to do a bit more of these movements. I can feel as I'm trying to stretch and release, I can feel much deeper release, okay? Now, because I've been rolling for 15 years, I like to roll my quad on my Travelroller 3.8. Much firmer. Again, the minimalist foam technology that you can receive without actually rolling on a pipe, which can injure your tissues. So this feels so deep. I can get deep into my quad, which if I have knee pain, when I suffer from when I'm skiing in Whistler for 2 days in a row, I feel knee pain. I roll my quad on my TR 3.8 and it fixes it. So if I do 10 minutes on each side, it feels amazing. I'm getting so deep. And again, I'm using this shearing, this rocking side to side action, and I'm getting all the way into my hip flexor, applying torque, shear, compression, and I'm getting amazing deep self myofascial release with that. Now we can do this in all areas of the body. So we're going into the adductors. This is amazing. If you're a hockey player, you play any sports, or even you just wanted to relax on a deeper level, the adductors are a fantastic area to roll. I'm rolling deep with my 3.8. That feels so good. Let's give it a roll with the 4.3. Again, that feels fantastic. Getting way up into the groin there. Oh yeah, it feels good. Now let's try the grid. All right, now my body feels torqued. It feels like I'm putting it up too much. I'm less of body weight onto the roller because my knee is propped up higher. Still can feel it a little bit, but again, I feel not in a very comfortable position. I feel like my knee is very high up on the ground and it kind of opens up my hips too much. This actually is much more relaxing. I can sit in this position, and if you want to get that deeper therapeutic release where you're relaxing, then you want to get in this position. This is amazing, and this helps work your deep myofascial core, your deep front line, and this gets really tight. This is your myofascial core. I love that exercise. Again, your whole body is unique. If you started rolling your calves, let's do that one, right? So rolling our calves, okay. Again, I'm looking for that shear and torque. And my leg is on top, deep compression. This is fantastic. Oh, that feels so good. Okay, let's give it a roll in the larger diameter roller. Again, if you're a beginner, you might want to start with this. But why start with something that's larger, that's giving you the idea that you are getting better when you really are just not getting deep? So again, getting some compression here. Good, not as precise as the Travelroller. That's the whole point, is precise massage. I do not feel any of these bombs and these things. I do not feel any of that stuff. I feel like that doesn't make a difference, because I know from the science of fascia that fascia glide, shearing, torquing, and compression is what gives you that long-lasting result and actually realigns the structure of your fascial system. And that's what we're doing. Self-myofascial release is you taking a tool to self-massage your body. And if you want to do it better, then choose the right tools that you can do on the whole body. Now, this is the tibialis anterior. I always get really tight in this body. This helps to work your lateral fascial line. And again, in getting deep in here, this one works really great if you have shorts on. Grab the skin again. Let's grab the skin. Okay, love it. Okay, let me show you this one. Grabbing the skin this way. Okay, and grabbing the skin like this. Oh, that shear, that feels so good. All right, let's try to do some shear with the grid. Okay, you guys can try to do the shear at home. Let's try shear on the grid. Trying. I'm sliding my skin. I'm trying. Again, barely getting deep into the tibialis anterior. Mine is very firm from all the sports and athletics I've done. Feel like I'm wasting my time. Literally wasting my time. Okay, let's try this one. Full body weight. Oh, this one's a little bit more body weight pressure. it's somewhat therapeutic on that in that position. But again, if you're watching Netflix and you're chilling and you just want to just relax and do some shearing, try the shear. Try to stretch and slide the skin. It grabs the skin because that's what you want, the sliding surfaces. So those are the secrets of deep therapeutic self-myofascial release. Now combine that with activation and nervous system reset, and you get my 14-day reset program. Plus, I give you a free travel roller shipped to you worldwide. So if you want to learn the techniques to get out of pain fast and effectively on your entire body, then click on this link below and I will show you exactly how to get out of pain, because I was like you. I was in so much body pain, and that's why I created and invented the travel roller 15 years ago. So I want to give you the solution so it saves you the time and all of that pain and wasting your time on all these other rollers.
Thanks for rolling to the end of this video. We are so excited for you to roll yourself healthy with our online courses. All you have to do is click on the link below. You'll get your course sign up and your free travel roller shipped to you worldwide.